How to buy MOBY AI token. So this token came under the symbol of MOBY. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your research. And also there is referral codes down in the description and get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the DEX account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on DEX Screener. It's created 1 day ago and it's increased by 80 to 82% in the last 24 hours. The market cap is $58 million and the volume is $27.7 million. The liquidity here unlocked by 99% is good. That's meaning investment in safe place. Now to be able to buy the token, copy the token address from here, open your Phantom wallet for that, log into your wallet. Now after that, click on swap here, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet, click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token, click on it. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now after that, into provider, select a provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. After that, click on stop and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues during your buy process, go back to this page, switch the slippage or custom it, because the most issues came from this slippage. Now after that, go and you will buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy MOBY token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.